What's up, cool kids? FD White back with another episode. Welcome to the channel, man. Welcome to the channel. So we've been keeping the cool kids updated. We've been talking about these huge ranges that Bitcoin likes to get in a bull run. I know a lot of you guys may be new to the space, but this is what happens sometimes in a bull run. Sometimes we get these huge scares. Sometimes we get these huge pumps. So altcoins have been getting rinsed and rolled over, but a lot of them have recovered fairly well. But this one we're going to talk about, this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. And we're going to start off with this 103K level that we almost reached yesterday or this morning, early this morning. So we got a nice rejection off this level that we've been seeing here. We've been seeing all this price action in here, this price action here. So this is a macro support and resistance level. It is not the top of the range that we're looking at. Range side top is coming in at about 10. Let me see. Let's get this. It's coming in here at about 106. So this is the range high. If you've been watching this, you know. And then this is the range low coming in at about 91K. So we'll be continuing to look at those two areas. And those are just the two areas that we have been bouncing in between. So Bitcoin today, we do have at 2 p.m. we have the crypto czar David Sachs coming out, and he is holding a press conference at 2 p.m. So we have to see exactly what he says and see what he comes out to talk about. Maybe it's some bullish news. Maybe he's talking about a crypto or a Bitcoin strategic reserve. We don't know, but we'll be locked in. We'll be tuned in to see that, and we'll see what type of price action that we get coming from that meeting or coming from that press conference that happens at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Right now, Bitcoin is coming in at 99,420. So I like this area. Around this area, we're okay. We had a huge move. So, you know, the crypto market or any type of market that you're in, any type of asset does not go up forever. So you do have these huge moves. You may get a retracement. So what I'll be looking for in the immediate short term for Bitcoin is to possibly, let's come down here, let's get our path tool. Possibly we can get back above this 100K area, hold that as support, and then start to retest this 103 area again, possibly flag below there. And then, you know, it's just taking the steps up, and then coming back up to these range highs at about 106. So that'll be the best case scenario that I can see for Bitcoin. Other than that, we just have to see what type of catalyst we get this week. Luckily, those tariffs did not play out. We do have 30 days to see if those tariffs come back. They got put on a 30-day hold for Mexico and for Canada. So we do have to watch that or watch out for that and see what happens with Trump. Trump has been very, very, very. We can't predict what's happening. We really can't predict what's happening, what's gonna happen, what's gonna not happen. Like, he's been very, very, very. He has been doing what he's been saying he was gonna do, but at the same time, a lot of us are caught off guard with some of these plans, some of these reactions, some of these new rules and regulations that he wants to implement. So we'll keep our eye out and see what's happening. Right now, we have Ethereum coming in at around 2,800. We have Solana back above 200. As long as we're above 200, I think we'll be doing fine. We have XRP at 263. I think we got to a high of 280. Now we retraced a little bit back down to 263. ADA at 76 cents. SUI at $3.46. We want to keep an eye on that $3.60 level for SUI. We get back above that, everything looks pretty good. We'll be back in a good range. Trump, can we call it a rug pull? Can we just call Trump a rug pull, or are we not? I mean, this looks like a rug pull to me. So this was, I think, the more he talks, the more he gives these threats, and the more he doesn't come out with these threats and things like that, his word is going to be, or start to be, not as strong. He's making all these threats and then not carrying out what he wants to do or what he says. So it's kind of like the boy who cried wolf. He's using all these threats, these tariff threats. Eventually, they may not work unless he really slaps somebody with some tariffs if they don't, comply to what he's talking about. So I don't know if, as long as his word starts to lose more and more bearing, I think this is going to, lose more and more bearing in the crypto market. He's not going to have that much effect. Remember when Elon had the effect? He could just move the markets, and then he just started talking about it so much, it just, the crypto market stopped caring. I think that's going to happen with Trump as well. But Trump can implement different things. He can implement different policies and rules and regulations. So it's a little bit different, but I think it's going to happen too, man. I think the crypto market, we don't need these people. That's what you guys are failing to realize. That it will help. It will definitely speed up the process and speed up the progress of things going on. But the crypto market does not need these people. They need us more than we need them. So as long as we can remember that, I think the crypto market and everybody in the crypto market will be a lot better off once we have that mentality. But like I said, it will help if we can get these crypto policies in. It will help if we can get a lot of these or a lot more crypto people or crypto friendly regulation coming in. Right now, this Trump coin came down to a low of about 15 bucks. Now it's getting a small little terrible bounce. I just hope it goes to zero. If you're holding it, I hope you're not holding it, because I really want this to go to zero. I hate what they did to this the space, and then the Melania coin, all that. I hate all of that, so hopefully it goes to zero. Virtual's got a nice little pop. I've seen it go down to $1. I think that's going to bounce hard. Algorand at 29 cents. So you guys can see Hyperliquid. I think this is going to be a strong narrative, a strong coin. So make sure you guys do your due diligence on that as well. And we'll continue to watch. We'll see how the stock market opens, and then we'll go from there, man. So this is just a quick update. Bitcoin right now is sitting at 99,269. So we'll see what happens if once the market opens in about an hour and a half. So 7, 8, 9. So about 2.5 hours from now. So this is FD White. I appreciate everybody for watching. We will talk to you guys in a minute. Have a good day.